MinatiCoin, or MNPC, is part of a bold vision to build the next generation of the internet, where digital identity, money, ownership, and online experiences all come together in one seamless ecosystem. The idea behind Minati is simple but powerful. It aims to create a decentralized digital world where users truly own their assets, control their identity, and participate freely without relying on centralized platforms. At the center of this ecosystem is MNPC, the native utility token that powers everything. Whether it is buying virtual land, trading NFTs, playing games, staking for rewards, or even making real-world purchases through a debit card, MNPC is used across the entire platform. As more users join and the ecosystem expands, demand for the token is designed to grow, while a built-in burn mechanism reduces supply over time. Minati's tokenomics are structured for long-term sustainability rather than short-term hype. The total supply is capped at 9.1 million tokens, with allocations spread across public sale, ecosystem growth, staking rewards, and liquidity. This model is intended to reward long-term participants and support steady development. Now, is MNPC a good investment? There are some strong positives. It combines multiple trends like DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and AI into one ecosystem, which gives it broad utility. It also targets the growing space where virtual experiences and finance intersect. For those interested, MNPC is available on BTCC, making it accessible for traders who want to explore this emerging project. In the end, Minati presents an ambitious vision of merging the digital and physical worlds. While the potential is exciting, it is important to approach with caution, do your own research, and understand both the opportunities and the risks